Hey, Camila, look here.
We'll go get some more presents.
Oh, no, no, take a picture. Oh, I have to I didn't take one. Wait, no, give this.
This little
This is
one.
this is Mommy. This is from Mommy. Give it to Mommy.
Mama got a present from Sam?
And let's watch Mommy open. Let's watch Mommy open.
Mama got a present? From Camilo?
Yeah. Let's watch Mommy for a minute, buddy. No, okay.
Oh!
Look at Mommy's present.
Look what I got, Batos, Camilo.
The pumpkin.
He's like, cool, cool.
Thank you.
What's for me?
There you go. It's the little one. This one, the little middle guy on the side, the silver oblong button.
Ooh, you got an airplane.
It's a rockin' airplane. It's a rockin' airplane.
Let's see. Is that a puzzle?
It's a rockin'
Oh, look at all those airplanes.
You want to open some? Open some, Papa? That's the only way we'll keep them still. Well, just open.
I took a bunch of random photos.
Okay, then we'll go get more. There we go. Say hi, Daddy. Say Merry Christmas, Daddy.
Hey, Merry Christmas, Mila. I don't have it on the mode. I need it on.
Here, give it.
Hold on. I figured it
All right, babe, go get another. Oh, no, never mind. Here. Show Mamu.
Work? Okay, let's find some more.
Go get another present.
I'll fix it. You get another present.
Let's see what else did you get.
This one is for Papa. Give this to Papa.
No, is it a me?
No. This one is for Papa.
Okay, go ahead and get it.
Get another present, baby. Get another present.
This one is for Camilo. Hey, it's okay. On Christmas is for everybody, Camilo.
Hey, Camilo, look what I got.
Look at Papa.
I got one too for Papa.
Look at Papa's present.
Ooh. Cool.
PJ pants.
Come on. Nice. Perfect.
Cool.
That is really
What do you think about those, my love?
Goodness, what are these? Look at these, Camilo.
Whoa, Camilo.
Watch. Look it.
Mom.
Daddy, we have scissors. We have scissors. I thought we had them. These are patos, Cockaween zapatos for the house. But Mama's getting scissors. Uh-oh, what do you got here?
Oh no, that's Daddy's.
Oh, that's
Daddy's.
Daddy's. That's mine. This is mine too.
Give it to Daddy.
Give it to Daddy.
I'll open mine in a little bit. Let's see.
Let's see another one. Is that Camilo's?
This one is for Daddy.
You want to open it for Daddy?
No, you can get it. Baby, look at Milo. Oh,
Oh, this is Christmas. It's okay.
it's okay.
That's Daddy's
Yeah.
present too.
Camilo, look.
Can we look at your zapatos we got?
Well,
You
here's
know, scissors?
Camilo's.
Butter knife?
That bag is Camilo's from Grandma. Over there, baby. Milo.
Oh. What's this?
Ow.
Here you go. Here, what's this?
Is that Camilo's?
That's Camilo.
What is it?
So you want to do the FaceTime? So we can open your
Yes.
FaceTime.
That's a big Camilo jacket.
Whoa.
Big jacket.
Here,
And
put your patos on, buddy. Let's take this one. Pato?
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay, now Camilo has Cockaween. Look at that. You're Mr. Cockaween.
Oh, that's so cute.
These are for wearing around the house.
You like him,
Hey,
Milo?
what do you think? Do you like it?
Oh.
Give it huggy. Merry Christmas. Besa. Look at your
Milo,
Cockaween
what's
shoes.
this one?
Cockaween shoes.
What's this one?
It's a bag.
It's a bag
That's
from
from
Great
Grandma.
Grandma.
That one's from Grandma. could it be? Camila, look at what could it be? What's in here? Oh. Whoa. What's in this one?
Oh.
Yeah. All right, what's in here? Whoa.
Thomas the choo-choo train.
You can read. It's a fork and spoon, Camila.
Well, you got all kinds of fun stuff.
And what is this? One more from Grandma. What the heck is this?
Uh-oh.
There's the button on top. You push that.
Push that one to start it.
Select a game.
Push that one.
I think.
Let's learn together. Touch a letter.
Touch that one.
Boat. Dolphin.
Like Daniel.
No, I didn't know that.
What about that one?
Penguin.
Like Madagascar penguins. That one.
Windsurf.
Yeah, what is that one?
Toca una letra.
En español.
What is that one?
Delfín.
What is that one?
Barco.
Oh, I could use this. Doesn't even
What is that one?
Cuadros.
What does that mean?